Hey guys, in 2026, everybody is asking the same question. Either the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II or the a6700. They look similar on paper, but the best one depends on the thing, how you shoot in the real life. Today, I'll compare them in a real creator way. Video quality, stabilization, photo and hybrid use. Which one gives you more value in 2026? The Sony ZV-E10 is built for creators. You get 10-bit 422 all intra up to 4K 60p and a lot workflow for make editing faster. A 6700 is the do-everything. APS-C body, it's known for serious video specs including 4K 120p and a deep hybrid feature set. Let's be honest, both can look cinematic if your lens and lighting are right. Sony APS-C's lineup is strong, and these two are very close in final look potential. This is where decision becomes easy. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II does not have IBs, so handheld walking shots will depend on electronic stabilization, OSS lens, or gimbal. The 6700 has 5-axis in-body stabilization, so you can shoot handheld with more confidence, especially for travel, family, and hybrid work.
Record here or you want to show now?
Class, no need. It's fine. ZV-E10. This is the ZV-E10. ZV-E10. Okay. ZV-E10. ZV-E10. I want only to compare. How many minutes? 1 minute only. I need just to compare the video quality. ZV-E10 and the 6007.
This one auto, I put manual that one.
Which one?
That one.
No,
Again, one. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This one today we are making a tour on AAB work. So first here I'll show you what all we have here in the AAB. See now, this is wallpapers. Okay, now we have the action cameras here. There is Insta360. Wow, there is X4, X5, XR, and action cameras, Ace Pro, Ace Pro 2, Go 3, Go 3S. Wow, too much collections here. So next I'll show you the gimbals.
If you do photography seriously, like portraits, streets, and events, the 6700 is the safer buy because it has more complete camera body with stronger handling, built for hybrid shooters. For my recommendation, for Sony ZV-E10 II, if you mainly vlog, talk to the camera, shoot on the tripod desk, you're fine using OSS lenses or gimbal for motion, you want a creator workflow for strong internal codecs. Choose 6700 if you want a camera for both photo and video. You should handheld a lot. You want more complete body for long-term use. So guys, comment below. Are you team creator body for the Sony ZV-E10 II or team hybrid beast for the Sony 6700? If you want, I'll make a part 2. Best lens pick for each camera in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Mabuhay!